Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add border in Word document. We open our Word document. After that, from the Design menu, we are going to click on Page Borders. In the pop-up window, we are going to select the border to use. From the Style field, we see some options to choose from. When we select one, it will be possible to see its preview. Then under Color, choose the desired color for the page border. Then in Width, we have some options to adjust the width of the page border in Word. An interesting option is Art. There we will see some designs that will make the page border much more artistic. Finally, in Apply To, we can define where this page border will be applied, the entire document, the first page, by sections, etc. When you click OK, the page border will be visible in Word. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.